What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a look at LVS, Las Vegas Sands. So they did get a little bit of a price upgrade from JP Morgan. That price upgrade was 48 from 36 by year's end. So with that being said, one thing that we need to take a look at here, especially on one of these big gap ups like we had here, expect the gap to get filled at some point in time. But going into next week, could we see a day two rally on this stock? What we're going to need to see is a break over the top wick high here today, $43.73. We are going to have some resistance here where you could potentially enter into a day trade and take some profits right around that 14.5 area. That is also going to correlate with this sloping down 200-day moving average. However, if this stock does decide to fill this gap before bouncing up higher, what we're going to want to see is a breakdown of that $41.50 area. Fill this gap down here, and what we want to see is a bounce off this $39 area. So what it would look like would be, depending on where we open up on Monday inside this range, if we do break down that $41, we're going to want to see this come down to 39.5, and then we're going to want to see it catch here. Okay, we're going to want to see it catch right around that 39.5 and then get that bounce up. If we do dollar cost average into your position down here and or start a new position here, if we can get that hold right around $39, and then we're looking for that bounce back up into the 41, and we're going to want to see a reclaim of that 41. You would expect a little bit of a pullback here. Stocks don't just go in a straight line up. And then as soon as we get that further continued bounce around that 41.5, look for that high break here of that $43. I think that's going to be some good momentum here. However, to the downside, if we do open up in this trading range on Monday and Tuesday, and we do crash below this 41.5, come down to 39 and lose this area here, all bets are off on the stock, because with that being said, we could be coming into this rising 20-day moving average in between this price of around $37 and $38. That would take us back into this long consolidation going back to November here. I really don't want to see Las Vegas Sands lose that $39. So the best case scenario is to trade around in this range, hopefully for a couple more days. And if we do come back down and back test that 39, is to at least get that pop back up, so we can now say that we're turning this old area of resistance into a new support. I think that'll be a good area of entry going forward into 2021. And then we're going to want to see that top side break of around $43.70. As soon as we get into this zone here, $45 would be the next target. And then any close over the 200-day moving average would be all bets are on for the long position, because if we get that pullback, we're looking for a bounce either at the 45.48 or that 43.73, and then further continued move. But great move to all of you people who are trading Las Vegas Sands, up $5 on the day, 14% on this gap up. So if you have been holding in this range, you made a nice chunk of change here. I would have hoped that you took a little bit of profit somewhere today in today's candle, just to kind of have that cash flow, just due to the way that we've been trading, the type of market environment that we are in. Last thing you want to do is be somewhere in this range here, get this nice gap up, take no profits, and have it come crashing all the way back down. So always try to take your profits, even if it is a long-term position. You always want to be scaling out a little bit. You can always average back down when we do fill this gap at a later point in time. But I hope that helps. If you guys want more trading videos like this, you guys want to join a Discord, completely free, go ahead and join my Discord. I'm live every single day, 5 days out of the week, kind of showing you guys what I'm trading and some intraday levels. Also, if you guys want to take trading a little bit more serious and you guys want to do this, perhaps full time, maybe you want to supplement your income, maybe you're looking for a side hustle, I do have a trading course that can be found at evolutiontraders.com. I also do have a mentorship and a one-on-one coaching where you guys can get access to the private channels in the Discord. That can also be found down in the link below. If you guys want to get more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can with any related questions concerning the stock market. And I will see you guys all in the next video.